that's probably because a pain isn't a pain, isn't a pain, isn't a pain. They're all different. Every pain's different, and the underlying reason's different. This looks dreadful, doesn't it? But I'm going to tell you a little bit about the different types of pain that we see, and then it might give you a little bit more insight into the types of painkillers that we prescribe. So this is the pain pathway, if you like. Okay. So this red line here, going from the red, does that look red on this slide? Doesn't it? Yeah. From the bottom of the foot, there's a red line all the way up. Can you see it? And that's supposed to be a connection between two nerves in the middle. That's probably in your spinal cord, and off it goes up into your brain. Yeah. So if somebody whacks me on my foot like that, or stabs it, or burns it, or crunches it, or any part of my body, cells in my tissues are damaged, and those cells release chemicals. Yeah. And a little bit like a gramophone record. That's why the gramophone record image is there. The nerve endings, the chemicals act on the nerve endings, and the nerve endings convert the chemical energy into electrical energy, and off goes the pain impulse like an electrical wiring circuit. Yeah? Everybody with me so far? Wait, you'll have the DVD to refer back to them. And when it arrives in the brain, there's different parts of the brain represent different parts of the body. So that's literally one half of the brain. So you can you see how big the lips are? Mm-hmm. See, because there's a huge part of the brain serves the lips, and there's quite a big part of the brain serves the finger, but not really very much for the trunk or the arm, because it's not very sensitive, the arm, is it? So to me, so a nervous impulse arrives in the brain, and it arrives at a particular area, and our brain goes, oh, hang on a minute, it's arriving at that area, and if a nerve impulse normally arrives there, it means it's coming from my foot, so therefore I've got pain coming from my foot. Something must be happening to my foot. Okay? That's what we call normal pain. So that's like broken bone pain, post-operative pain, tooth abscess pain, all those sort of pains. There's tissue damage going on. Now, if a short circuit, can everybody